Singapore Airlines flies the Singapore-London route twice a day using an Airbus A380. Following an almost 13-hour non-stop flight from London, the A380 can land on one of the two 4,000-metre-long and 60 metres wide runways at Changi Airport. Quite gently, the megaliner, with a weight empty totaling 276 tons, touches down on the runway surface. During the scheduled landing, the airport staff are already waiting to service the plane. Here too, 2 hours are needed to carry out what needs to be done in the way of flight preparation. First, the gangways are docked on the aircraft so that the passengers can disembark. Once the landing has been completed, technicians on the tarmac begin their first checks. Just like at Heathrow in London, the pipelines at Changi Airport run underground. A pump truck is hooked up to pump aviation fuel into the huge tanks on board. Up to 250 tons of kerosene, that's around 3,000 litres, now flow into the A380 tanks.